Copterpack is an Australian company that published a flight video of an all-electric knapsack helicopter in May. However, further analysis revealed that the flight was apparently aided by a wire digitally removed from the video. Then on the Copterpack website it was reported, a recent Tether test of the prototype made it possible to evaluate the flight dynamics and stabilization of the knapsack helicopter. Not much is known about the technical characteristics of Copterpack. Profile publications write that the aircraft has a self-leveling autopilot. Each duct propeller is about 35 inches in diameter, the fuselage is made of carbon fiber, and the electric motors may be powered by lithium-ion batteries. The main drawback of the system is the low reliability of the solution with two engines. If even one screw fails, a pilot's fall from, say, 49 feet can be fatal.